Does your brother work as a builder? Is your brother building houses these days? Has your brother ever built a school? Does your brother go to the construction site daily? Is your brother working on a big project now? Did your brother study civil engineering? Has your brother built apartments before? Was your brother working last Sunday? Will your brother build your house too? Does your brother work with a construction company? Is your brother responsible for supervising workers? Has your brother completed any government project? Does your brother enjoy his job? Is your brother building a new office complex? Will your brother be free this weekend? Did your brother repair an old building last month? Has your brother received any award for his work? Is your brother skilled in interior designing too? Does your brother work in another city? Will your brother continue working as a builder?